What's happening, everybody? This your boy Snow. I'm back with episode number 4. I have another one, another fragrance recommendation. This one is also budget friendly. This is about our man Chopper from One Piece. If you know who Chopper is, man, he's really low key one of the most pivotal parts of One Piece. He keeps everybody healthy. He makes sure he fixes, patches up everybody. He's a ship doctor, but he's low key with it. He ain't looking for the spotlight, but he also, the ladies love him. He's cuter than a mug, but he can turn it on too though when he needs to. So my recommendation for Chopper from One Piece is Cambridge Nights by English Laundry. This right here is a very budget friendly fragrance. It's fruity, spicy, citrusy, with a very earthy, mossy smell to it. Like, you can't tell me that doesn't really describe Chopper to the T. Like, there's multiple layers of Chopper, multiple layers to this fragrance. Don't let the fact that it's a budget friendly one scare you. Price does not determine quality. Um, so if you want something that's budget friendly that you can add to your collection, that could be a day to day, year round. Cambridge Nights, Cambridge Night by English Laundry. Check it out.